I'm going to show you how to bring an image to the front in Canva. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to just open any browser and go to canva.com and open the design that you want. And once you're here, you can see our project right over here. And now you can see that there are two images over here. So you want to bring a certain image to the front, then just select that particular image like this. So I want this to be in the front. And now you can see multiple options over here, and you just need to tap on this three-dot button over here, and you can see the option of position. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you're here, you can see this option of arrange right here. So make sure you're in this page, and once you're here, now you have options like forward, backward, to front, and to back. Since we're trying to bring the image to the front, just go ahead and select this option that says to front. And now you can see that you have brought the image to the front in Canva. So there you go, that's how you do it.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.